Hey guys, this will be a quick video. We're going to talk about how to back out of an update set that you already committed. So typically when you're going to commit an update set, you would go to Retrieved Update Sets. You would click Import Update Set from XML, and then you would preview it and then commit it. But this one's already been committed, and I just realized that it's missing a variable that I wanted to add to my new instance. So now that it's already committed, I don't want to delete it, but instead I want to go to Local Update Sets, and then I'll find it here. So this is the one I just committed. You can see it's complete. And when I click it, it'll give me a backout option. What I want to do is click back out. It's going to warn me that there may be potential problems if I back out, and I will proceed with backout. We're going to wait for it to finish. And once it's finished here, I can actually go back to Retrieved. You'll see here too, it says it's missing now. It's gone from my update sets. But if I go to Retrieved Update Sets, it will let me know that this update set has been successfully backed out. And there it is. So if you made an error and you by accident committed an update set that wasn't finished or it was the wrong one, it's super simple. All you do is go to Local Update Sets and click Back Out. And that's it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.